So as you all know, Bhabiji Ghar Par Hai Fun on the Run released recently, and it's a okay movie talking about its story. Then it revolves around some powerful people who wanted to marry Bhabiji, and movie being a comedy film did its job, and it has ton of double meaning scenes and jokes, and most of the time I was shocked seeing them. Obviously they didn't show anything but camera angles and dialogues are enough to get the inference, and movie works in bit as it's all or not even majority jokes work, but sometimes you laugh intentionally or unintentionally, and because Bhabiji Ghar Par Hai has so many iconic characters and those characters have so many iconic lines, that's why you don't get bored. And my only problem with the film is that it just looks like compilation of episodes, nothing new, and I think if you are making a film which is based on such an iconic show, you should do more. Like its scale could have been bigger or some new characters gets introduced played by famous comedians. And Bhabiji Ghar Par Hai Fun on the Run was okay for me, it works, it feels fun, obviously nothing new, but considering its trailer, film looks better and it's unpredictable random. I remember being totally oblivious at its climax as I don't know where now it's gonna head, and it also has a post-credit scene hinting on sequel, and I would watch it too. And now talking about What 2, then I really liked it, and I have watched What recently and I liked that too, and I can surely say What 2 is a successful successor to What. Talking about its story, then it's based on jail where a prisoner escaped, and I like that they tried something different and not be a blatant spiritual sequel. And What 2 explores more themes and it is more complex than its first part, but it also has some drawbacks, like you will guess the twist, and in the second half film just became very linear and predictable, and in the climax I think Inspector intention are also very vague, as in first part Inspector has a weakness but in this he doesn't have any. And talking about its positives, then it has many, like it has more characters and each character manages to shine despite of their small portion in the film, and film just have same name and same character. After that everything is new, and I feel its story is also very fresh even considering the jail movies, and it deals with more serious themes, and I liked it first half more as it was exploring characters and the screenplay was more character driven, but second half was just following Inspector and you have already guessed the twist, but the climax twist was unpredictable. And I liked What 2, it has some flaws but still it's a good thriller. And that's all for the video. Like, share, subscribe.